What's going on, everybody? I just wanted to drop this video to kind of talk to you about hiring your subcontractor for carpet cleaning at one of your accounts. So I have this account here. I've had it for a little over a year, and they have, to be honest, I initially did not get a contract the first time I applied for it. They went with another company. Then the following year, they doubled back to me and went with me and my company. And actually the price that we proposed to them at that time was lower than the price that we actually wanted for. So don't be discouraged when it comes to putting in your proposals and not actually getting it the first time around. Make sure you kind of instill or leave a lasting impression. Make sure you educate them on certain things about how to service their facility, certain things that they need in reference to carpet cleaning, floor care, window cleaning, stuff like that. If you educate them, when you have your walkthrough, your initial meeting with them, and show that you're providing value to them, they'll remember you. But what this video is mainly about is I had a carpet cleaner come in and clean this location, and he's done it before and he's done a great job. He did a great job this time, but he missed a spot. And when I did my walkthrough, I didn't catch it. So the client came and told me and said, hey, there's a spot on the floor. And then there was another room they wanted to do also that I didn't initially have my cleaner do or my carpet cleaner do. So I was able to, pull my resources. I went and got a carpet cleaner. I rented one. I already know how to do some carpet cleaning. I'm not a carpet cleaner, expert or anything like that, but I do know a little bit here and there. So be able to kind of fill in the gaps when something like this happens. Now, I could have called him back and paid him to do this additional room, but why do that when I can just go ahead and take care of it myself? So what I did was I came in here. Of course, I rented my carpet cleaner from Home Depot. And you can get it at any rental, tool rental or equipment rental place. Put down my solution, agitated the carpet and stuff like that. Made sure I did my pre-treatment and stuff like that. And I cleaned the carpet myself. Carpet cleaning is not bad. It's actually peaceful. Usually when you're doing carpet cleaning, there's nobody here. And with janitorial cleaning, a lot of times, commercial is not, people aren't there. But this was kind of my piece right now. I'm able to kind of relax here by myself with my music, being able to kind of think some things through. But here we go. I'll put the chairs down shortly after it kind of dries a little bit because I don't want to leave it a spot or anything on the carpet. But here we go. We did a great job, even if I do say so myself. Just be willing to put in the work sometimes, and be willing to do the stuff that you have other people do. I know people are getting into the mode of being a remote cleaner, and stuff like that. That's all cool and dandy, but you still, in my opinion, in order to be able to provide a good service and to be able to educate your clients or potential clients, you need to at least know how to do some of the stuff, have an idea. And especially when you're trying to bring on subcontractors, you need to know the questions to ask to be able to get quality subcontractors. So if you know how to clean carpets, if you know how to do commercial janitorial cleaning or residential cleaning, floor work and stuff like that, it'll help you when you're bringing on other people to do the job so that you don't have to do it in the future. So with that being said, you guys have a wonderful day. Catch you next time.